This video contrasts the nostalgic charm of retro foods with modern culinary trends, highlighting how health and flavor have emerged as priorities in contemporary cooking. This shift reflects broader changes in dietary habits. Take the shrimp cocktail of the 70s, which featured small, frozen shrimp and a fluorescent pink sauce. In stark contrast, today's versions celebrate freshness and vibrant flavors, revealing a significant evolution in food preferences. Canned ham once served as a convenient staple for busy families, but its processed nature and distinct flavor have contributed to its decline. Nowadays, consumers lean towards fresher, less processed alternatives. Jell-O salads, once celebrated for their unique textures and sweet-savory blends, now appear bizarre against modern culinary standards. While these colorful dishes evoke nostalgia, they fail to resonate with today's food culture. Powdered milk was a cost-effective choice in the past, but its lack of richness and creamy texture has diminished its appeal. Today's consumers favor fresh, flavorful milk alternatives that enhance their meals. Once highlighting communal dining, the fondue experience has shifted due to hygiene concerns. Today, individual fondue pots provide a more personal and sanitary approach to enjoying melted cheese. The focus of space food sticks was on convenience rather than taste, rendering them less appealing compared to modern snack bars. This shift underscores the evolution of food preferences over time. TV dinners, once synonymous with quick meals, have also significantly transformed, now featuring fresher ingredients and more flavor. This change mirrors a growing demand for healthier, tastier frozen meal choices. Diet sodas like Tab Cola pioneered the health-conscious beverage market but lacked appeal and flavor. Today's diet drinks, offering a wider range of flavors and natural sweeteners, cater to modern consumer preferences. Canned fruit cocktails were once a popular dessert option, offering convenience, but lacking the taste and freshness of their fresh counterparts. They symbolize an era of food choices that has largely faded. Prune juice, while known for its digestive health benefits, often falls short in taste and texture. This highlights past food preferences that prioritized functionality over flavor. Cheese balls, once trendy party snacks, emphasize convenience instead of gourmet flavors. Today, there is a stronger appreciation for diverse and flavorful cheese options and their accompaniments. The rise of specialty coffee shops has raised consumer expectations for coffee quality, prompting instant coffee options to improve their beans and processes. This shift has rendered traditional instant coffee less appealing. Vienna sausages, once a convenient lunchbox staple, are now perceived as unappetizing due to their processed nature and low quality. Today's consumers increasingly prefer fresh, wholesome meal alternatives. The traditional diet plate has faced criticism for its inadequate nutrients and unappealing ingredients. In contrast, modern diets prioritize balanced nutrition, incorporating whole foods and vibrant vegetables for better health. Ambrosia salad, a once popular choice featuring a mix of sweet and bouncy textures, has lost its allure as contemporary tastes shift toward freshness. Although pineapple upside-down cake remains a nostalgic favorite, it tends to be overly sweet and lacks the depth of flavor found in today's desserts. Today's dessert landscape showcases bakers who prioritize fresh, seasonal ingredients and innovative flavor combinations, steering away from processed options.